Okay, we can see this is a Seetong CCTV tester. We can find 9 cable, DC cable, and this contact power to camera. This is the 9 contact to camera. Okay, after this we back to here. Okay, you can see she's an engineer and find this AP Wi-Fi AP. Okay, we do the job. Connect Wi-Fi. So okay, we choose this one 8 Seetong. Oh, this one is okay. Connect. Okay, it's connect. Yes. So we back to here. Connect or connect Wi-Fi. Yes. So your apps will be okay. Find the camera contact by the power by the name, and you can adjust the camera by these apps.